Hey there, Spyder owners. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we're happy to announce that once again we've partnered up with a team over at Spyder Extras to bring you guys a plug-and-play LED light bar kit for the 2020 and up Canon Spyder RT and RT Limited. This light bar kit features a 10-inch LED light bar that emits a bright white light that comes in at 6000 K on the Kelvin scale. Now the mounting bracket is adjustable so you can fine-tune the angle of the light bar so that the beam is firing straight forward or slightly tilted down depending on your preference. This kit also includes an OEM-style waterproof dash switch that allows you to turn the light bar on or off at any time once the ignition is powered on. Also included in the kit is a 100% plug-and-play harness, allowing for a seamless and straightforward installation. Now, if you've never ridden with an LED light bar before, you're gonna love this mod. This LED light bar drastically increases your visibility of the road ahead while riding at night. The extra light output allows you to see further down the road so you have more time to react to potential road hazard that may be coming up ahead. Now, not only does it enhance your ability to see further down the road, it also increases your likeliness of being seen by oncoming vehicles during the day and at night. So now that you know what the mod is and what it can do for you, allow me to walk you through the installation process on our Shop 2020 RT model. Start by pressing down and turning your key counterclockwise to pop open your frunk. Then press down and turn your key clockwise to lift up your seat. And then remove your key and set it aside for now. Now carefully pull and unclip this right-hand side body panel, followed by this access panel right above it. Next, unscrew and remove these 3 T30 Torx screws. And then remove these 3 push pins in your frunk. Now you can carefully unclip the front fairing and slide it forward and off. So that you can access and unclip the accessory power harness behind it. Next, take a plastic pry tool and pop off one of your available switch covers, so that you can then fish the harness from your new light bar switch down and out the side towards the accessory power plug, making sure to leave the switch out for now so that we can plug it in later. Then plug the Y splitter into that switch harness, then into the accessory power harness we unplugged earlier, and then clip the end of that Y harness back into the bike. Now you can unscrew these 2 T15 Torx screws so they can pop off this cover panel and unclip the harness behind it. Next, take the light bar extension harness and fish it through the hole in the center and back to the small opening to the left, reaching up from underneath to tuck it in through the small hole in the frame, zip tying it to the existing harnesses behind the radiator and back towards the new light bar switch so that it's up and out of the way from any and all moving parts. Then you can plug the black wire from that extension harness into the black wire coming off the switch, and then the red wire to the one open port on the back of that switch. Now zip tie the ends of your extension harness to the existing harness coming out of that same hole, and plug the extension harness we just ran into your new light bar, tucking in the excess wiring and clips back into that hole. Next, take the new mounting bracket from the kit and attach it to the bike, reusing the same 2 T15 Torx screws that we removed from the cover in the same location. Then you can tuck in the rest of the light bar wiring harness and attach it to the mounting bracket using the 2 new Allen head screws and wrench from the kit. Now insert your key and turn on your ignition so that you can flip your switch and test your light bar. And if everything looks good, you can carefully push the switch back into place, making sure not to pinch any wires. And then finally, you can reattach your body panels in the reverse order you remove them. Self-lighting up the road ahead is on your mod list. Then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab an LED light bar kit for your Spyder RT. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. Until next time.